Looking for a smart way to cut energy costs and go green? Welcome to Bills on Solar EA Limited, your trusted partner in clean, reliable, and affordable solar energy solutions across Kenya. We provide expert solar installations for homes, businesses, and farms, helping you enjoy uninterrupted power and long-term savings. Our services also include water pump solarization for agriculture and livestock, smart energy meters, energy audits, and efficiency consultations to help you manage and optimize your power use. Need the right equipment? We supply durable solar, batteries, high-performance inverters, and complete solar kits tailored to your energy needs. Whether you're living off-grid or looking to reduce your monthly bills, we deliver cost-effective solutions you can trust. Visit us today at the Mirage along Waiyaki Way, next to Villa Rosa Kempinski, Nairobi, or call 0795857846 and let's help you power your future